Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. I am on my way to work. It is, 4:34 this morning, and it is 21 degrees. So it did blow in. The temperature continued to drop yesterday throughout the day. The winds continued to increase throughout the day yesterday, and they are still blowing. Our wind chill is at 11 degrees, which is what they did forecast yesterday it to be. So it is frigid, it is dangerous. However, we have no precipitation, and we don't expect any until maybe Thursday. So our chances for snow and maybe a wintry mix is increasing. It started out at 50%, 60%, 70%. So now it's at 70%. And looks like it's going to move in Thursday afternoon, overnight, and into Friday morning. However, Thursday, it looks like right now that we're going to be above freezing. And Friday as well. So if we do get anything, it'll just last probably through the night, unless it's heavy, unless we get heavy stuff. It might last throughout much of the morning on Friday. So be sure and keep an eye on the weather for yourself here in North Texas. So one of our community members who lives up in Missouri were under blizzard warnings yesterday, and she sent me some pictures, and I'll share those at the end of this video of her yard. To me, it's beautiful winter wonderland, but guys, I know it's dangerous, I know it's scary, and I know that it can cause a lot of infrastructure situations that can be deeply, deeply concerning. So I'm going to go ahead and put those pictures at the end of this video. I'm going to wish you guys a warm and wonderful day. I hope that you dripped your faucets. We streamed ours all night, and so I had water this morning to get up, take a shower, and get ready for work. So we're okay on that now. I don't expect that we'll get above freezing until late morning. So keep your faucets dripping until late morning if you're here in my area. You want to make sure and not bust those water pipes. We have had that happen several times where Greg has had to get under the house in this type of weather and fix it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you all. See you soon, and we will keep you posted on the weather this week. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, we ask that you subscribe and hit that like button and share. We are trying to grow our channel, and we are very close to 50,000. So guys, get to work on showing that we can get on up to 50,000 and hit that subscribe button. Take care. God bless. Love you all.